Hello Elaine, how are you doing? This is going to be a video on how to look at the owner deposit report. So when you sign into Salesforce, you can see I am currently signed in as you at the moment. So this is exactly what your Salesforce is going to look like. You go click on the reports folder. From the reports folder, you're going to click on your accounts receivable. In the accounts receivable folder, you're going to select the owner deposit report. So this is a report of deposits that are upcoming or need to be made to owners. All right. Inside the report, you're going to find that the report has two sections. The first section is called Hold Deposit Payment, and the second section is called Make Deposit Payment. In the Hold Deposit Payment section, you're going to find all of the opportunities that we're waiting for guests to pay, or the deposit amount that we received from the guest is less than the deposit amount that we need to send to the owner. So, for example, if we look at the column total paid by guest, which is right here, we're going to see that in most cases this number is 0 because the guest has yet to send us their deposit. We can see for these last two right here, we received $1,565.82 paid by the guest, but we need to send the owner $2,818.2. So this would be a moment where we would just need to revise quickly with the reservations specialist, see what happened. Maybe there could be an error in some of the calculations. We don't really know, so we would need to check. In this case, right here, we can see the total paid by the guest was $17,906. The total deposit that we should have sent to the owner was $19,845. And we can see in this column right here that's furthest to the right, the total that we've actually paid the owner. So the total that we actually paid the owner for this booking was $14,700. So we can see none of these numbers really match up. So this is something that I'll go over with you at a later point. But this section in general, Hold Deposit Payment, is a section that's going to tell you all of the bookings that we're currently waiting for deposits on and their corresponding amount that we would be sending to the owner. So this could technically work as your new booking list instead of sending those emails out every time as well too. For the second section, called Make Deposit Payment, these are going to be the bookings where the amount that we've received from the guests is more than the amount that we owe to the owner. So for example, for Jared Johnson, we received $364 from Jared Johnson. We owe the owner $302, and we have not yet paid the owner. It's in 0. All right, and that's for now all of these bookings right here. So we can see the amount that we have received from the guest, the amount that we need to pay the owner, and we also have a verification to the right-hand side to see if we've actually paid the owner any amounts as well. All right, so these make deposit payments should correspond with all of the payments that you currently have pending, deposit payments that you currently have pending to villa owners. If you could go through this list and double check it as well, let me know if you have any observations. Another detail that I've gone ahead and organized here is a days till arrival section. Just a reminder that if you click on any of these columns, it's going to sort, the report will automatically sort the columns depending on what you click on. So for example, by opportunity name, you can sort the column. If this page will upload now, our internet left us. By opportunity name, you could sort the columns by the guest name. So now they're in alphabetical order by guest. You could sort by the villa. Maybe we owe villas a couple of deposits at the same time. For example, La Semilla. These are all of La Semilla's bookings. We can sort by the deposit date that we should have paid the owner by as well too. You can sort by any column that we have here. The one that I wanted to show you was days till arrival. The days till arrival column basically is going to show us urgency. So Jared Johnson, this was an additional guest, so we know that it was a modification to the booking. Steve Holman, for the amount, it also looks like it was a modification to the booking, so we owe the owners some straggling funds. And we can see that we have guests arriving within 30 days, 30 to 70, and then outside of 70 days. Elaine, please let me know comments, questions on the report. If you can find any inconsistencies, if you've made any payments, please let me know. I'd like to schedule this report to start going out to you once a week or maybe twice a week, whatever day that you'd like to register to start making payments. And we can start using this report and hopefully just depend solely on this report for all of your deposit payments. The next step after we have implemented the system of using this report and we know that it's 100% correct, we'll go ahead and add in the balance payments as well too. All right, thank you, Elaine. Please let me know comments or questions. I'm here and we'll be in contact soon. Have a great day.